Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana'Nails and this is what I'm going to be showing you today. A review of Born Pretty. This is part 2. The first thing that I got is a brush that's for ombres with gel polishes. This is a stamping gel. This is like fabric, really nice fabric. And now all I'm getting right here is stamping plates. I love that one. This is for Christmas because it was cheap, so I was, let's get it. This one is, I don't know, I liked it. This is really nice. The animals. Now this one's right here I love because they are trendy right now. The splashes, those lines. Yeah, really nice. Unicorns, of course, I gotta have some unicorns. This is for Easter. Abstract. Yeah, lines and yeah, like splashes and stuff. Butterflies. Autism, yes, of course. So let's try them out. So I'm opening the stamping gel, and the first thing I gotta do is mix it, because all the components separate, so we just gotta mix it really well. And here we go. Every time you get a new plate, I gotta save the product, every time you get a new plate, number one, you gotta remove the blue plastic. Sometimes it's clear and you cannot see it, but make sure you do remove that first, and then clean it with some acetone. And so I'm using my rubber tool to spread all the stamping gel. You don't need a lot, it's just a little bit. And then you just spread it one way, the other way, up and down, every single way you can. And so you scrape it and then pick it up. This is my first time using it, so I thought it was, just the same thing as the polish, the stamping polish. I was attempting to remove it with some tape, and it did not work. But after this one I learned, and I'll show you how to do it. I loved the pigmentation, and I mean, it's great. It's really great. I'm getting some more. Then you just place your stamp, your design, where you want it, how you want it. With this long tips it's really hard, but I tried. Now I tried like different stamping plates. That's the amount that I used, and that was actually a little too much. Remember to go in all directions, scrape, and then before you grab, make sure the other designs that got the stamping gel, you clean it. And then when you put your stamp where you want it, you just the remaining gel that's on your stamper, just put it in the UV lamp, and it will cook for a little bit, just like 30 seconds or so, or maybe less, and you just remove it with the tape and you're good to go. I'm showing you right here that you can use the stamp more than one time. This was the second, third, and fourth time. For the seahorse, I put it in the tape first, the nail, and then I put it 3 times, like I stamped 3 times my hand. You can use it more than maybe like twice. I also wanted to let you know that every single tip that I was using, I put half of the nail was matte and the other half was shiny, just to see if there was any difference in the application, but there's actually no difference at all. Now I'm using the regular stamping polish to see if it worked as well. And this one, if you see it, it says Nicole something, Nicole Diary, something like that. It's not Born Pretty, but it you know, it did work. I don't know why they sell it, because I got it from, you know, bornprettystore.com, something like that. But you know, they sell it and it is good. I wanted to try it too. So now here for the mermaid or fish scales, I loved it, and that's the, you know, the reason why I got this particular plate. The only thing is that number one is rounded, so you'll see it when I placed my my stamp. It shows right there, you know, that's the shape. Maybe, you know, because it's a big nail, not nail, but you know, you got it. So I did the other half, and I tried to do the seahorse in black. It didn't show. I tried to do it with the silver. I didn't like it. Then I did the dolphin to see, you know, if I could save the design, but I really thought it was gonna be like really cute, but I didn't like it. So the first design, I didn't want to leave it like that, so I did this line, and you know, I also wanted to try the line, you know, because sometimes you need those straight lines that you can hardly do yourself, you know. And so that's what I did right on top, and I liked it. It's really nice. This is the result for that. And like I said, I was going to show you how to use this liquid thermo something, you know, that changes with the temperature. So you, first of all, you gotta mix it like always, and then you, with whatever you're gonna do, whatever brush you're gonna need, you know, get the brush and then apply it the way you want it. You gotta let it air dry. That is the key, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, I would say. And also you need to use a dark background. I did it on a black background and a dark blue. I liked the black background better. You'll see it there. That's the green one was before I put it in the lamp. Second, this blue one is after I removed it from the lamp, and then this one right after the lamp when I applied the top coat. So I'm showing you right here the two tips that I did. I'm showing you with different temperatures, you know, the changes and everything, and it is really cool. You know, I would want to wear them to actually see it in person, you know, not on a tape, but you know, the changes on your body. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can leave a comment if you want. If you liked it, you're more than welcome to click the like button and subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Thank you. Good night.